morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Dasini. I was born in Indramayu 10 August 1985. I am 39 years old. I come from Indramayu, West Java, Indonesia. My height is 154 cm. My weight is 58 kg. My status is married. My religion is Muslim. My husband job is farmer. My husband 45 years old. My last education junior high school. I have 2 children, 1 boy and 10 years old, and 2 girls, 10 and 3 years old. I am number 1 from 2 siblings. I have younger sister, 27 years old. My mother, 55 years old. I have experience before in Jakarta 3 years, from 2000 until 2003. My job is take care children 7 years old. Wake up children, prepare with desk, prepare uniform, send and fetch children for the school, cooking, marketing, cleaning the house. I have experience before in Bandung 2 years, from 2017 until 2019. My job is take care children 10 years old. Wake up children, prepare the desk, prepare uniform, cooking, marketing, cleaning the house and washing. I can cook Indonesian food example, soup, sambal soup, soto, balado eggs, tapai kangkung, soup, belacan. I cannot cook Chinese food but I willing to learn. I can cook and handle pot but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I am afraid of dog. I want to go to Singapore because I need money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Take care. See you in Singapore. Bye bye.